Hello everyone, I Kanchan Shetty. Welcome back again on this lecture of Business Communication 1 of semester 3. Today we are going to start and discuss the third chapter of Business Communication, that is soft skill. In this lecture we will study the introduction, meaning, definitions of soft skill. After that we will understand the importance of soft skill, and then we study need of soft skill. Let us discuss the introduction of soft skill. Friends, it's a challenging time to be entering the workforce for the first time. The traditional path of getting a college education or learning a skill, then taking a job and remaining in it for your entire career is largely obsolete now. Today, most in the current workforce now only specialize in certain skills but also upskills and move jobs throughout their careers. However, there are certain skills that are as necessary now as they have always been, so-called soft skill, such as comprehensive listening, holding meaningful dialogues, and having difficult conversations can be learned but are often not taught. Luckily, many can be acquired through experience. So, the soft skills is a famous term nowadays. Soft skills are traditionally considered complementary to hard skills, which are the capabilities to carry out a sure kind of understanding or pastime. Soft skills are strategic to achieve success in private and professional life. They are also important for a candidate when he or she tries to enter into any kind of job. Enterprises generally hire new employees, mainly the fresh graduate, paying extra attention towards their soft skill than the hard skill. Soft skills are plays an important role in all walks of life. Let us see the meaning of soft skill. A set of skills that influence how we interact with each other are known as soft skills. It is the ability required and expected from everyone. Soft skill is sociological term from someone's EQ, that is emotional intelligence quotient. It refers to the cluster of personality traits, behavioral pattern, social graces, verbal exchange, language, non-public behavior, friendliness, etc. Soft skills complement difficult abilities that are the technical requirements of a task. So let's understand the definitions of soft skill. First definition is soft skills are the kind of skills needed to perform jobs where job requirements are defined in terms of expected outcomes. Second is soft skills are the set of skills that influence how we interact with each other. It includes abilities such as effective communication, creativity, analytical thinking, diplomacy, flexibility, change readiness, problem solving, leadership, team building, listening, etc. So the soft skills are business skills such as communication and presentation, leadership and management, human resources, sales and marketing, professionals, development, etc. Now let us see the importance of soft skill. So the importance is for the successful functioning of an enterprise. Technical skills are must. The competencies tend to be more activity unique or greater closely associate with the real assignment being performed. So the first importance of soft skill is improves communication skills. Friends, Communication is a medium to express one's thoughts, ideas, feelings, emotions, etc. The ability to communicate is highly essential at every workplace. Communication skill can be made more effective with the aid of developing soft skill in an individual. With the help of soft skill, an individual can deliver his idea clearly and confidently either orally or in writing. It also enhances uses of technology during presentation. Soft skills facilitate people from varied background to communicate in an effective way. Second importance of soft skill is develops overall personality. It means soft skill is an aid to develop an overall personality of an individual in order to facilitate him for delivering his best performance at the workplace. It also inculcates positive approach towards work among employees. It boosts the moral of the employees and makes them understand the need of the organization professionally in terms of economic crisis and environmental, social and cultural aspect. Third importance is team building. Every individual working in an organization is unique, but some employees may be comfortable working within a group while others may prefer to work alone. So, soft skill helps an individual to overcome these differences and build a good rapport and work effectively with others as a team. It improves the ability of an individual to recognize and respect others' attitude, behavior, and beliefs. Fourth importance is problem solving ability. It means soft skill enhances an individual's ability to identify and analyze the problems in critical situation and to come up with acceptable appraisal for the giving problem. In addition to these, soft skill develops an aptitude among individuals to find novel ideas and look for alternative feasible situation. It helps to assimilate and accommodate oneself to the diverse working environment. Next importance is customer service skills. Customer service skills is one of the most essential skills an entrepreneur or business owner look for while hiring important skills who will take care of their customer. Today's world is more customer centric, which demands for an organization to deliver customized services as per their expectations. In turn, to meet these expectations of their customers, the organization concentrates on training their employees to improve their customer service skills, such as developing patience, attentiveness, clear communication skills, knowledge of the product, time management skills, persuasion skills, willingness to learn, etc. Next importance is entrepreneurship skills. In that, soft skill plays an important role in the development of the employees as well as for the entrepreneur. Entrepreneur is the person who binds the employees with the organization for the achievement of organizational goals. The entrepreneur should process or should possess the soft skill of identifying, exploring, exploiting and building business opportunities and remain competitive in the critical business environment. Thus, the soft skills are equally important for the entrepreneur to possess. And last importance of soft skill is leadership skills. The ability to lead effectively is based on the number of keys skills. These skills are highly sought after the employers as they involve dealing with people in such a way as to motivate, enthuse, and build respect. Soft skill enables an individual to understand and take turn as a leader and provides him with capability to lead and supervise a team. Now let us see the need of soft skill. Friends, for the successful functioning of an enterprise, technical skills are must. These competencies tend to be more activity unique or greater closely associate with the real assignment being performed. Today, employers crave managers with crucial gentle abilities. These competencies tend to be required generic. In different words, these are the throughout all types of jobs and professions. These soft skills are playing even greater critical role in management position in the present day environment. With the changing world, the expectations about workers have changed. So the soft skill set required by managers has also been changed. One needs these skills more than ever for the other skills. So the need of soft skill is to handle interpersonal relations. It means the nature of an organization is a complex. There is a division of work almost in every corporations. Different duties are assigned to different people or employees. There is the division of power or authority and responsibility among the subordinates. They ought to get jobs executed through these employees, so there are more changes of arising conflicts among them. The superiors should deal with these matters with care and caution. They have to preserve relationships with and among these employees. The important required ability is this regard in communication skills. Next need is to take appropriate decisions. Friends, the managers need to diverse kinds of decisions in their daily transactions. The success of an agency relies upon the potential for the superiors to take the right decisions, to take suitable decisions. They ought to have specialized ability in those regions. While resolving any conflict in the corporation, they must go to the root of that problem. For this purpose, they have to analyze and interrogate the situation and talk with the fellow employees. They should have the ability to talk to subordinate, to acquire essential information and to deal with their employees. For all these, they want soft competencies. Soft abilities are very crucial in this contemporary world of commercial enterprise. Next need is to communicate effectively. The important issue in the success of an enterprise is to communicate effectively. Communicative ability is one of the important abilities in all walks of life. Every members of a business enterprise must possess this talent. It is crucial because the superiors need to make decisions. They ought to speak it to the subordinates for similar purposes. These decisions are to be communicated properly to the subordinates or employees. In some cases, there might to be resistance to the changes introduced through these decisions. The orders and instructions are to be communicated well to the respective employees in an enterprise. For the purpose, persons with strong communicative ability are required. Last need is to have good impression and impact. So the soft skills are important to influence the employer. Identically, they play a critical functions in gaining professional development to have an awesome influence. A person need to possess presentation competencies that encompasses planning, training, and delivery of the message. Making a proper speech is also important. Success in any enterprises depends upon appropriately presenting the thoughts. One needs to learn new things. One ought to accept responsibilities for one's self and one's movements, which leaves a deep impact on others. So these soft skills are playing even greater critical role in management position in the present day environment. With the changing world, the expectations about workers have changed. So the skill set required by manager has also been changed. Here today's session is over. Thank you.